How to fix WhatsApp music status not working. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, just wait for 1 to 2 hours because it might be some temporary glitches or bugs. After you wait for 1 to 2 hours and it's still not working, then all you have to do is go back to the home screen. If you are using the Android, then tap on the Google Play Store, and if you are using the iOS, then tap on the App Store. Now, once in there, all you have to do is tap on the search address bar and search for the WhatsApp app and hit enter. Then from the list, tap on the official WhatsApp app. And if you see an update icon available right next to it, then tap on the update and update it to the latest version. Once updated, all you have to do is open the WhatsApp app and check if the music is working or not. And if it is still not working, then go to the home screen and this time tap on the settings option available there. Scroll and tap on the general option available inside the settings. In general, tap on the iPhone storage option available there. Inside iPhone storage, all you have to do is from the list of the apps, scroll and tap on the WhatsApp app. And once you tap on the WhatsApp app, you will get to see Offload app option available there. Tap on the Offload app and reinstall it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.